Day 10, 1981 Suzuki GS750L. Alright, so we're wrapping up that belly pan. Got all the tabs off to include the tabs that were in the previous video, the ones that held the mud guard, the plastic rear fender mud guard on the back, and those two tabs under it that I thought I might use. We've gotten rid of those. So we're getting closer to getting this thing into primer. I've kind of got it mocked up, the electrics, a little bit. It is tight. I have to get a little more creative with it, especially once you get the wiring in there. I've just got the components in there now. So here's a look. So you can see the profile looks really good. The hoop looks good. All these tabs are gone, even these up here, and then there was where that rear fender tab was. And there's the profile on the pan. Same thing over here. Good profile. Everything's good. But, whew, is it crowded? This is an igniter, anti-gravity battery, the oh good grief, rectifier, starter solenoid, and a fuse block. So, I mean, it's busy in there. So with this belly pan, I tack welded all around, basically with my little flux core MIG over there. So those are tacks, and then I come behind the tacks with the metal filler, the metal reinforced filler. I need just to smooth it out. I grind those tacks down, but you know, candidly, just to give it a full finished look, I've got that metal on there now, and we'll sand all that down. It's drying out, and I even kind of touched up where the welds were back here for the hoop. And I had initially put some mount holes up here for the rear tail light, and ended up moving those under, and so filled those holes in while I had that metal mud out. But that's what's going on. Man, I hope we're in primer soon. I got to sand all that stuff down, and then get the, just got the harness hanging up over here. Tie all the harness stuff in, make sure I can make all that work. And in the meantime, do some riding on those bad boys out there a little bit. But that's what we're doing. Thanks for checking in. We appreciate it. You know, this is a little bit slower build than typical, but man, we hope it's worth it in the end. We got some really high hopes for this Suzuki.